If you notice that you're saying things like, I don't have time to exercise, I don't have time to plan my day, I don't have time to cook, or anything else that starts with I don't have time to, I challenge you to track your time for the next 7 days. And it's not so that you can see that you are wasting time somewhere. We all waste our time in some ways, but it's more so you can really understand why you don't have time to do those things and where you're actually spending time. Because even though we feel we are busy, when an emergency appears and we suddenly need to spend time doing something for 10 hours in a week, we find that time because it's an emergency. So I challenge you to track your time for the next 7 days. Keeping track of your time will help you understand your situation based on raw facts. It's objective. I recommend creating a spreadsheet with 7 columns for 7 days and 96 rows, where each row is for 15 minutes of your day. Print it out and keep it with you and record everything in a reasonable detail for 7 days. Just fill it out several times a day. And after the week of tracking, check how much time you spent in each category that is important to you. You can go with just 3 categories, for example, work, leisure, and family, or you can go in as much detail as you want, and you can include things like taking care of household, exercise, cooking, taking care of children, playing with children, meetings, admin work, work on projects, etc. And if you're in a similar situation as I am and you're juggling several things at the same time, I highly recommend the book I Know How She Does It by Laura Vanderkam. It will give you an inspiration of how successful women are managing their time.